Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Warrior 4 2.0 speaker. This is a 2.0 configuration speaker ideal for your PC, laptops and even gaming consoles. Some information on this box over here. You can see that this particular pair of speakers, you can see what they look like. They come with RGB lights, and these RGB lights have 5 modes as well. It comes with dual connectivity, an aux port and a USB-A connector. So basically there are 2 connectors and you need to connect both of them for this particular speaker to work. It also comes with a volume rocker. Do we have any more information? Okay, over here it said output power is 10 watts and net weight of this particular pair of speakers is 580 grams. That's not much at all. Let's open this box and take a look at the speakers. So there you go, this is what the speaker looks like. They are very light. I mean, they are made out of plastic. It looks like they're, cheap plastic speakers, but they're not. They have a beautiful finish. There's a nice design on top as well, and has this matte black finish on each side of the speakers. Not just that, underneath there are 4 rubber stops on each of these speakers. It makes them, these are anti-skid stops, so you will make this will make sure that the speakers don't slip when you put them on a flat surface. They have a pretty long cable. This is almost a meter long cable. You have your 2 connectors on this side. There is a USB-A connector and a 3.5mm jack, as you can see. And finally, you also have a volume rocker. It's a pretty large volume rocker. Not just that, there is this button over here. This button functions as this is a button that you click to change the different modes of the RGB lights on these speakers. I'm going to give this a test whirl. So what I'm going to do, I have a laptop right here. I'm going to connect this particular speaker to the laptop and test it out. That's one, and number 2. There you go. Notice the RGB lights, they're breathing right now. Okay, so now that we have connected, I'm going to just play some music first. Okay, let's turn on the volume. There you heard the music, it works perfectly fine. 1 second. Not just that, this is the button that you use to shift between all the RGB modes. There. I'll give it a closer look there. This is the button that you use to shift between all the RGB modes. I'm going to do that right now. So let's see. This is 1. Then we have number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. And number 5, which is basically now it's switched off. So I'll turn it back on again. And there you go, number 1. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb Warrior 4 2.0 speaker. Thank you for watching.